dollar Swiss, all the dollar pairs should not be, no, well, not to worry. Shouldn't take much time from us because now they are pretty clear. We have seen that we have a trend change in the dollar to the upside and a trend change into the Swiss to the downside. And if you look at this chart, there your 82.74 was your trend change. You broke it with momentum. That was 4 days ago, and it broke, and it's continuing higher. So that is a confirmation. This is a much more clearer confirmation on the dollar. Now here we closed the week at 88.30. We have a structure point at 89.57 and the 88.98. So we definitely are looking for a continuation to the upside. Let's look at the intraday. Wow. These are the pretty trading days anyway. So with that, what we're going to do is we're going to take a buy on the dollar Swiss. Let's see what the high of the day is. 88.63. So we're going to buy the dollar Swiss 88.70. Let's just to round it up. And if we do buy it, if you, as I said on the daily chart, you look here, we have two structure points. One which is the 88.98, or you can, and the other one which is the 89.57. So we have pretty much two close structure points near each other, and therefore we're going to take the one that's closest to us, because we're coming from down to up, which is the 88.98 as our structural long point. 88.98 our structural long point. As you see, I mean, this structure point last week by 86. Now we're looking at the 88. That's 600 pips away. 88.98. Okay, and if I do buy it above here, I think the place we can place our stop at is below this structure point over here, which is the 87.90. So my stop is going to be 87.90 on the long stop. Now if I'm going to go short, in essence there is no reason for us to go short anyway, but anywhere, but I can take a short below the 87.69 as a short, and if I do take it right there, my structural short is the 85.57, and if I do take a short below here, I'm not going to give it too much room, to be honest with you. I'm just going to leave it to the 88, so I'm going to give it about 30 pips only as a stop. That's going to be my stop right there. If it gets up to here, I'm just going to say goodbye and get out of it. Okay, so for the dollar Swiss, we are going to go long above 88.70, and if I do, I have a structure point above that, which is 88.98, which means I have about 25 pips before the next structure. So that's a good chance we're going to pull the prices up to there, and if we do break it, we're going to get quite an explosive move to the upside. And I'm going to be using about 80 pips as a stop, again because the volatility and move to the upside. On the short side, I'm going to go short below 87.69, and if I do, my structure short is 85.57, which is about 200 pips away. And if I do take a short below 87.69, my stop is above 88. I'm only going to lose about 30-40 pips on that. I'm going to keep a tight stop. Okay, and of course our bias is to the downside. That is the dollar Swiss.